Car accidents, insurance disputes, hit and runs, one wrong moment can cost you thousands. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dash cam offers the best protection, video quality, and value for your money. I'll cover video quality, night performance, parking protection, and smart features. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Vantrue N2X. The Vantrue N2X is a dual-channel dash cam designed especially for drivers who want front and interior recording, making it ideal for rideshare and fleet drivers. Review highlights. It records 2.7K front video at 60 FPS and interior footage with HDR IR night vision, ensuring clear cabin footage even in total darkness. StarVis 2 sensor improves low light clarity. Pros: 2.7K front recording at 60 FPS. Excellent interior IR night vision. Voice control support. GPS and 24/7 parking mode. Supports up to 512 GB storage. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K Pro. The ROVE R2 4K Pro is a single-channel 4K dash cam built for drivers who want simplicity with premium video quality. Review highlights. It captures true 4K UHD video, includes built-in GPS, and supports fast 5G Wi-Fi for quick footage downloads via the app. Night performance is solid thanks to WDR. Pros: true 4K UHD recording, built-in GPS tracking, 5G Wi-Fi for fast transfers, wide 150-degree viewing angle, supports up to 512 GB memory. Number 3. ROVE R2 4K Dual. The ROVE R2 4K Dual steps things up with front and rear recording powered by a StarVis 2 sensor. Review highlights. It records 4K front and full HD rear footage, delivers strong night clarity, and includes a free 128 GB memory card, making it a great value right out of the box. Pros: 4K front plus rear recording, StarVis 2 sensor for night clarity, fast 5G Wi-Fi with app support, free 128 GB card included, and reliable 24-hour parking mode. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro is a premium dual-channel dash cam focused on image quality and reliability. Review highlights. It uses dual StarVis 2 sensors recording 4K front and 2K rear video with excellent HDR performance. Voice control, GPS, and night vision 2.0 make it a favorite among enthusiasts. Pros: dual StarVis 2 sensors, 4K front plus 2K rear, outstanding HDR night performance, voice control and GPS, and strong parking surveillance features. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800. The 70mm 4K T800 is a top-tier 3-channel dash cam that delivers front, rear, and interior recording with unmatched feature depth. Review highlights. It records 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior footage, uses StarVis 2 IMX678 sensors, supports Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE connectivity, and includes advanced ADAS safety features and 24-hour parking mode. Supports up to 512 GB storage. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, the best dash cam of 2026. After comparing video quality, night performance, parking protection, and smart features, the 70mm 4K T800 stands out as the best overall dash cam of 2026, offering the highest level of protection for your car. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top 5 tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.